Hi guys, just a quick recap of what you can do to help the butterflies and the bees get more energy and more food in your garden. You can plant any type of flowering plant, whether that's an annual or a perennial. Herbs, flowering trees, they all help them. If you're looking for an easy project to do, an easy way to give back is to hang hanging flowers. They require very little care, and the bees and the butterflies like the brightly colored blooms. So you want to choose purples, pinks, reds, oranges, anything that's brightly colored. They'll be drawn to those first. Different types of bees and butterflies like different types of plants. You can also give them herbs. Many of them will flower with beautiful purple flowers that they will be attracted to. And remember, you're not just helping the birds and the bees and the butterflies. There are lots of other important beneficial insects and little animals that will appreciate your efforts. So take some time, plant some flowers, document your efforts, and help the bees and the butterflies out today. Thanks.